All right, guys, welcome back. And we're going to talk about the Tesla Semi because some people just don't really look at the Tesla Semi, but especially if you're a big Tesla investor, you probably have noticed major price cuts, stocks going up a lot for Tesla and also other EV companies. And we're seeing the semi truck getting even more developments. There's small developments, keep in mind, but it's the beginning of really changing things up. Now, this whole entire world, 60-70% of all oil consumption is based on trucks and also everyday cars. So essentially, if these all became electric, I guess gas prices will just be incredibly cheap. And if you look at what Pepsi is doing, it's pretty awesome. Okay, so I think they might be delivering Doritos and Lay's potato chips with these. And they are planning to take delivery of 15 semi trucks this year in 2023. May not be a lot, but they're actually expanding the infrastructure after buying the Tesla semis. Now, if you guys don't know, Tesla semi trucks have a lot of battery. It's like 4, 5, 6 times more than like a typical Model Y. So you can't really shove one of these big things into those tiny little superchargers. They gotta have their own specific chargers. So here it is, PepsiCo doubling down on the Tesla Semi with their largest mega charger yet. A lot of permits are being filed and submitted for an 8-stall site at Pepsi's production facility in Fresno, California. Now, here's the thing. We don't really know if these trucks are going to venture outside of California, but most likely they will be doing short distant logistics. So maybe driving out, within 200 miles, deliver the goods, and then driving back to the Pepsi headquarters, charged up, and the next day they'd be ready. Now, charging the trucks are actually decently fast. It's like maybe 40, 50 minutes, and you'll probably get like 80, 90%. And don't be expecting this to be going out of state. Don't be expecting these trucks to be going like across the country because the infrastructure for these Tesla semis is barely even inexistent. And they're not going to be, making a bunch of these just yet. Tesla still has busier things to do. But right now, okay, we could be seeing individual companies and maybe even third-party companies installing these charging stations for these semi-trucks. Now, I can't stress how important this is. You can make the best semi-trucks in the world, but if your charging infrastructure cannot keep up, it's not a good sign, okay? And even still, in some parts in the US and around the world, it's kind of difficult to find a place to charge. And also, there's so many different brands out there to pick from. It's very, very confusing. So let's see what happens, okay? I would love to see a Tesla Semi in my city someday. These things are really cool. They're pretty fast. They're super quiet and very, very little maintenance. So if PepsiCo actually shows it off, they use it for long periods of time, and they actually manage to save money in the long term, a lot of other companies are going to buy it. It's just a matter of math and also money. If it can save companies money, they're going to buy the Tesla Semi, even if it's more expensive than a regular diesel truck. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.